Indonesian city, Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra. A handsome and nationalistic young man was born who will lead Indonesia to victory.
Who is he? Muhammad Hatta, word birth name was Muhammad Attar, and he was often called Bung Hatta by his friend, was a principal and Hans national hero. He was born on August 12, 1902 in Tanjung Kang, Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra. He was the second child of Muhammad Jamil and Siti Sacha and was raised by his mother after his father passed away. Intelligent and quick-witted from a young age, he loved reading, especially Dutch book and newspaper.
Muhammad Hatta pursued his studies in economics at Handel Hogeschool, now Erasmus University Rotterdam. In the Netherlands, he has actively involved in Perhimpunan Indonesia, an organization that fought for Indonesia independence. Through his self-writing and impassioned speech, Hatta voiced Indonesia independence aspiration on the international stage.
Muhammad Hatta began his political career while studying in the Netherlands by actively participating in Indonesian Association, which opposed Dutch colonialism, leading to his arrest and imprisonment. After returning to Indonesia, he continued to fight for independence and, together with Sukarno, proclaimed independence in 1945. He then became the first vice president, playing a key role in drafting the 1945 Constitution and in diplomacy that ended Dutch colonial rule.
After proclaiming Indonesia independence on August 17, 1945, alongside Sukarno, Muhammad Hatta played a crucial role in establishing the governmental system, drafting the 1945 Constitution, and leading international diplomacy, including the 1949 Round Table Conference, which resulted in the Netherlands' recognition of Indonesia's sovereignty as the first vice president, 1945-1956. He contributed to developing the people economy through cooperative initiative, the free and active foreign policy, and was known as a modest, honest, and highly principled leader before resigning due to political differences.
Dr. Muhammad Hatta fought for Indonesian independence, not only with physical action, but also through critical thinking. He designed Indonesia's post-independence economy by establishing Quadribuous pillar of people independence. Hatta also criticized capitalism and dependence on foreign parties, emphasizing the importance of an independent and democratic state. His ideas such as outwashing the colonial system and promoting social welfare form the basis for just and sovereign Indonesia.
On March 14, 1980, Muhammad Hatta passed away at Dr. Cipto Mangunkusumo Regional General Hospital in Jakarta. He had been hospitalized there for 11 days before his passing. The next day, on March 15, 1980, he was buried in Tanah Kusir Public Cemetery. Throughout his life, he was hospitalized 6 times in 1963, 67, 71, 76, 79, and finally on March 6, 1980. His funeral was marked by a style ceremony led by Adam Malik, who was serving as vice president at that time. Muhammad Hatta passed away at the age of 77.
Statue and monument of Bung Hatta. As a tribute to his contribution, many statues and monuments of Bung Hatta have been erected in various regions, including Bung Hatta Statue in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra, located near the iconic Jam Gadang. In his hometown, his statue symbolizes the pride of the Minangkabau people for a local hero who made great contribution to Indonesia. Bung Hatta and Sukarno Statue and the Proclamation Monument. Jakarta defies the historic moment of reading the Proclamation of Independence on August 17, 1945. Bung Hatta Birthplace Museum Bukit Tinggi, not just a historical house. This museum holds many documents, photographs, and personal belongings related to his life. Muhammad Hatta is national figure who provide many examples. He is known to have high integrity and honesty. Even when he served as vice president, he never entrusted himself. This shows that high position should not display the principles of honesty and simplicity. Hatta also loved science and education. Since he was young, he has diligence, read and written. This provides such knowledge in important profession in fighting for the truth. Harvard found that Hatta was known to be prompt in his strengths. His goes to resign from office when he did not agree with the direction of the government.